to see me again, and it's Azaya. Did you see my video with my little egg? I think I forgot to do that video. That doesn't matter, because today we're going to open a big smasher egg that is over 24 surprises. Whoa, that was cool. Now, it's seriously done. Going to open it
with a giant smasher egg.
We're gonna open this big smash egg. Let's get opening. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, I need to open some.
Hey, I need to open them.
We just opened the wrapper. Now we're going to smash it. So
1, 2, 3, smash. Smash. 1, 2, 3, smash. The best way.
It's open.
Whoa, look how big this is.
Oh, I think that's a scratch mat.
Let's see what's inside. Oh. Maybe this is a scratch map. Don't just open it, but don't do anything. We need the scratch map to help us. Here's the scratch map.
Now we're going to show you the map and see what's up first.
So I'm gonna scratch it first and see what's here. Whoa.
Just something about a bomb. I think you should use your...
Oh, it's a bizarre bomb right here. So we're gonna go and get water. I already organized it here. Open it. Like move it. So there we're opening it a bit. Wow. Okay, this is cool. This is thick though. Now, this is put it in the water and take
Fizzy, so we have to put it in water.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, it's gonna...
Ah, I saw you go get tissue papers. No,
Now we're going to stir around the bowl to see if we can find the pot.
Yeah,
So
we took control of this mess, so now you don't need to do any cleaning up after this.
we're just gonna put a bit of water.
See what happens.
Oh no, oh no. Now it's gonna explode again.
Is it? It's not growing. Let me use my fork a bit. Stir around.
Let's see.
No. Oh, it's there. I can see it.
I can see it. So
See?
now this is
Wow,
Keep it-
that's black. Yeah, that's black.
it's really dark blue. Maybe we can just like,
I'll go get some more water.
yeah, I think we need more water. Just pour on it. So they actually tell you what you're getting, but you can discover it if you see this. So if it's blue, it's frozen mumps. If it's red, it's bizarre dactyl, and if it's green, it's definitely
Ice raptor.
yeah.
Okay. More water incoming.
Okay.
Oh, this is getting exciting.
Okay, let's stir around.
Use the fork, stir it around.
Now,
Here.
oh,
Whoa.
that was a close one.
Ah!
Whoa.
Zion, don't make so mess. Just leave it in there for now. Just leave it in there for now.
We're gonna leave that aside with our forks in, and now we're gonna see what's next. So it's right here. It says towards the claw.
Let's see what it is.
It's easy to say because I did it first.
I feel like I should just use my...
Crystal slime. So
Oh,
let's
it's
get the
crystal
crystal slime. Yeah. So let's open it. We're gonna see what's inside. My brother loves this slime.
So...
Oh,
Okay.
this looks cool.
Just take
Look
this
at that
out.
slime. Wow.
Giant body. Oh. Ah! Zai, help me!
Whoa. Whoa. Giant body.
Oh.
This is sick.
Well, he means cool. the body.
Whoa, there's so much slime. Is this one?
Okay.
You
take the slime first. It's fun to play with. Just put the body
I
first
love
now.
this one because you can see through it. That's why it's called crystal slime.
Can I play with it now?
Yeah. Take two sides.
Oh.
This is way more from the little egg, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, this is cool.
Okay, I think we need to store it back in its bag so that we can play with it. Now it's your turn, Azaya.
Okay.
Hatch it if you can.
Okay. We're just going to check on this first.
Where is it gone?
Still going, so
Still gone. So let it leave.
so it's hatch it if you can.
I think this is growing
Growing
snow.
snow. So,
Okay. So where's the growing snow, Azaya?
We're going to need some water. I'll go and get some water.
But it has to be at least, it has to be 80 meals, Azaya.
Okay. Good day, Smash fans.
Now we're going to do our growing snow, and we have help with this little boy called Isaac.
Hi.
Okay, ready? 3,
2, 1.
Pour it. Pour it. Pour it in. Pour it all in. Okay, now I think we have to shake it.
Now let's
Peel it! Peel it! Peel it quick! Before it grows.
That's what's called growing snow, though.
So that it doesn't grow to the top.
Oh, whoa!
Oh
This
my
is
gosh.
cool.
Okay, let's take it out.
Oh. Whoa.
Remember, this isn't
Whoa,
real
this-
snow. And okay, this
And this is not food, guys.
they already said.
You can try this at home.
Try this at home if you can get smashes.
Oh my gosh, this actually feels like snow, guys. Feel it.
Whoa.
Okay, I'm gonna get the things that we got last night.
Okay, now that we've done our growing snow, as said, Isaac will now scratch the next thing. It says frozen bones. What is it? It's stretchy snow.
Okay. Sorry, Isaac. So it's
We
right.
added some snow to the slime too.
Let's see what's inside.
So a
1,
tiny bit more.
2,
That's enough, Isaac.
3, go.
Whoa.
This is hard.
I can help. Does Isaac want to try?
Whoa.
Oh no, I've already done it. Oh yes, stretchy snow. Trust me, this is fun.
And sticky.
Okay. Who's gonna take it now?
Whoa. Dude, that's slimy slime.
Just don't put it in the growing snow.
Dude, this isn't slime.
I know.
This is something else.
I know. It's like a putty.
But more hard.
Let's see what's gonna look like now. So let's
Okay.
get the claws
Still
in.
got my slime. Very different from the other one. These are two of the...
These are what we've collected so far.
So let's take
Growing
the-
snow, stretchy snow, and
slime.
crystal slime. And here,
It's our pieces.
and guys, look at his head. Look at his head.
I'm gonna go and get the instructions to see what you do.
And we've collected like all these.
Oh wait, sorry. We need. I think there's one more.
It's
Can you handle the tooth?
It's can you handle the tooth? Let's see. In 3, 2, 1, I'm going to scratch. And all count together. 3, 2, 1. Scratch.
It's frozen slime. Here it is. Okay, so now we're going to need a scissors.
Oh, frozen slime. We've got so many slimes. We've
I
got
know.
stretchy
I'm
slime,
gonna get it, guys.
some crystal slime, and
Oh.
now we have frozen slime.
Okay.
And we have
Let's
some
see
snow
how
here.
far we've
That
been.
feels such like snow.
We've been through, frozen dino poops. 2 and for the claw, crystal slime. 3, catch it if you can.
Try and peel it, actually. I want to do that to challenge myself. Try and peel it.
No, I think we have to get the scissors. Go
I
and
can
get
do
the
it.
scissors.
I put more free. And look what I've done to the crystal slime.
I'll go get scissors since his eye is not budging.
I added some of the snow.
So,
And this is the stretchy slime. Okay, it's really stretchy. And it's quite hard.
And I'm back. It's frozen slime time.
what?
These
Something
are-
went inside.
these are-
Something went inside.
And these are what we've collected.
And we have
And
more.
some snow.
Okay.
And we're gonna get more slime. Yay!
We have this slime now.
Good eggs.
And that's not slime, that's jelly.
I know,
That's
right?
hard as jelly.
We're gonna pierce and pierce.
But when we get used to it, it might turn into slime and sticky.
No, me and I've tried. If you actually try to make this into real slime, it doesn't work.
And we got a new thing.
And I think it's the wood. Get it out. Get it out. Yep, I've got it all out. Oh wait, there's one more thing. Get it out. Okay.
And look
Now, Isaiah,
at
it's
the
time to make
markings
the
from the leg.
markings.
And it feels
Oh my gosh, look
feels
Are you
so
looking at this?
stripy. So far we've collected all these stuff.
and this. Don't forget.
Yeah.
I feel like this is the best. Oh, it's tastes so nice.
Where's the second hand?
This is fluffy just like this.
Where's the second hand?
Second
Like
hand,
a
the
thing
woolly
here.
mammoth thing goes there.
It's not Willy Mammoth. Willy Mammoth. Willy Mammoth. Willy Mammoth.
Okay, this is impossible to put on.
Listen.
Put that there. Actually, I think we should just put that first.
And now one more piece. Now we finished the mammoth.
Now move his tail, do you say?
Willy mammoth.
Oh, there's
There's
a
a
tail.
tail.
You have to attach it to here. And I think it does something.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. Whoa.
Ah! Just put the tail on already. Okay, I'm gonna
Let's see what
wiggle
happens.
it.
Oh. Ah. So open pot. And I'll show you what we got. So we actually got these new ones. We already smashed the eggs.
Yeah, but not real snow. Maybe.
So this is what we got. We got these and this and this. So that I remember.
Oh,
them.
he has added some snow on here. Lots and lots of snow. And we put some snow on here too.
It's snowy day. It's snowy outside.
And then
Or should I say inside?
So this one. Now we're going to put it in Smash World.
now I got a very big smile like moon. My brother is here now and he has to say something. I like snow. Snow's fluffy.
Are you ready to say bye-bye, guys?
Bye bye guys.
Bye
Have
bye.
a smash a day. That's pretty good.
Now let's see what